In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first LinkedIn newsletter in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a LinkedIn aficionado or just getting started, this guide will equip you with the steps to reach your professional audience in a new and engaging way. So, let's jump right into it. To begin your LinkedIn newsletter journey, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to LinkedIn's official site, which you can find by typing linkedin.com into your browser. Upon reaching the homepage, you'll be presented with a few options to log in. You can choose to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, your email address and password will do just fine. Once you're logged in, you should be on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, take a look towards the top of the page, and there you'll spot the Me icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop down menu with several options, and what we're interested in right now is the View Profile option. Clicking on View Profile will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see your profile picture as a focal point. Directly beneath your picture, there's an option that reads Add Profile section. Click on that and you'll be greeted with a pop-up menu. This is where you'll want to click on Additional. Navigating these layers might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but LinkedIn structures it this way to ensure you can find the exact features you need. Within the additional section, you'll find an option labeled Add Language. Click on this link to begin adding a new language to your profile, which can be particularly useful if you're targeting an audience that speaks multiple languages. Begin typing the language you wish to add, and LinkedIn will kindly provide you with a drop-down menu of suggestions to choose from. Select the correct language from this list. The next step involves choosing your proficiency level. Another drop-down will appear here, allowing you to select from options such as basic, conversational, fluent, or native, and don't worry, you can change it later if needed. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. If you'd like to add more languages, you can repeat this process as many times as necessary. Finally, to see the languages you've added at any time, just scroll down your profile page until you find the Languages section. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've navigated the LinkedIn platform, added new languages, and are now ready to begin publishing your newsletters. Remember, the key to an effective newsletter is consistency and engagement. Happy networking.